friends, it's pumpkin season and I was inspired to do a neutral fall flower arrangement with my bluey-green pumpkin vase. The flowers still have that fall color vibrancy, but overall the arrangement feels soft, quiet, and sweet. Whether you use a real pumpkin or a pumpkin vase, I hope you're inspired to find a pumpkin with a muted orange coloring or a bluey-green one and make your own version. Included in this arrangement is white cushion mums, Burgundy Carnations, peach spray roses, rose orange cushion mums, grape millet, Alstromeria, green Fuji mums. I've created a printable shopping list for anyone who is inspired to make their own version of this arrangement. The link will be in the description below. I covered the foam lightly with some leather leaf fern. I started with the grape millet. I wanted to make it an accent, a flourish in the arrangement. I did trim off some of the stems to use later. And then I started with the flowers. I do have a tendency to start with the largest first. I saved the peach roses until near the end. They are so pretty I wanted to make them stand out by putting them in the center of the arrangement. Hit the thumbs up button if you like a rosy peach fall arrangement.